Hello everyone and welcome back to Phymics. Today we have a classic geometry puzzle involving a triangle that circumscribes a circle. Here's what we are given. Triangle PQR wraps perfectly around a circle with a radius of 6 cm. The point of contact T splits the base QR into two segments. One is 12 cm and the other is 9 cm. We also know that the area of the triangle is 189 cm square. The goal is to find the total length of the side PQ. Before we calculate anything, we need to unlock the geometry hidden in this figure. Recall the two tangent theorem. Tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal in length. Look at vertex Q. Since QT is 12, the tangent on the other side must also be 12. Look at vertex R. Since TR is 9, its pair on the other side is also 9. Now what about vertex P? We don't know these lengths, but we know they must be equal. Let's call them both as x. Now that we have all sides defined in terms of x, let's find the semi-perimeter denoted by s. The semi-perimeter is just half of the total perimeter, so we add up all the segments, that is 12 plus 12 plus 9 plus 9 plus x. This simplifies to 42 plus 2x. Dividing by 2, we get a clean expression for our semi-perimeter, that is s equals 21 plus x. Here is the key formula connecting geometry and the algebra. For any triangle circumscribing a circle, the area equals the inradius times the semi-perimeter. We are given the area is 189 and the radius is 6. So 189 equals 6 times our expression 21 plus x. Let's solve for x. Divide 189 by 6 to get 31.5. So 31.5 equals 21 plus x. Subtracting 21 from both sides gives us our missing value x equals 10.5. Since the question asked for the length of side PQ, from figure, side PQ is made of the segment of length 12 and our unknown segment x. So PQ equals 12 plus 10.5, which gives us our final answer as 22.5 cm. And that's how we break down circumscribed triangles. So this was it for the video. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.